Hello, Chef here. Another recipe for you. This one is potatoes. Yeah, this is going to be one of my great grandmother's potato recipes. We're just going to call it potatoes with ricotta. So here we go. Follow along. Lots of ingredients, lots of steps. I'm going to go real quick for you here. Step one is cook some of this bacon, get it crispy. After the bacon's crispy, we're going to start mixing this all together. Peel up the potatoes, use the mandolin, bam! It's going to be good. I'm using about an 11-inch glass baking dish, so you want to start with as many potatoes as are going to fit in your dish. Probably this is enough. Let's call it 2.5 pounds. Okay, I got a pound of bacon right here, and I left the pieces doubled up. Want to be a little thicker, basically. So I'm going to bake this at 350. Peel the potatoes. Okay, potatoes have been peeled. Now we want to work very quickly. We're going to be using a mandolin. So what you got to do is drain your potatoes, and we're going to cut them. We're going to cut them pretty thin on the mandolin like this. Make an adjustment here. All right. So fast. The right tools. That's what you're looking for right there. Okay? Beautiful slices. Okay, just like that. The next step we're going to do is we're going to put all these potatoes into the mixing bowl. Like this. Now, we put some extra virgin olive oil, generous amount, like this. We're going to put the little salt. We're going to put some pepper. Whole nutmeg. Okay, then we've got a couple pieces of garlic here. We're going to smash them down. Chop them up pretty fine on this recipe. And we got an onion, medium onion. Okay, I'm also putting some of these awesome chives. They're going to go perfectly with the potatoes. If you can get them, use them. If you can't get them, skip it. Anyway, these chives are going to be good. So this is my garlic onion chive mixture. I'm going to just keep this off to the side right over here. Now, mixing bowl, 2 eggs. We're going to beat them babies up. Ricotta cheese. I'm going to start with about 1 cup of ricotta. Can always put more later if I want to. And I want to mix this right in. grated Parmesan cheese, the real stuff from Italy. We're gonna put about half a cup in there. Okay, just like this. Mix it right up. Now you can see this mixture is a little too thick, so the other ingredient is going to be either heavy cream or milk, and in this particular case I'm going to be putting milk. Okay, the bacon is cooked. It's looking good. It's just a little bit crispy. That's what I'm looking for. Just like this. Whoa, it's hot. Alright, I'm just going to want to chop this up into some chunks. And once I do that, I'm going to start assembling this potato ricotta. Okay, for the bacon, I usually just line it up like this. And give it a little chop. I'm looking for small bite-sized pieces like this. Okay. Okay, time to start assembling this. I've got my ricotta mixture here. I'm going to put my onions and garlic right in there. Yeah, this is going to be good. I'm already pretty sure I need some more pepper in there. Touch of salt. And we mix it up. Oh yeah. I've got my pan here. I'm going to use one of the potatoes and spread some of this oil around the perimeter. No need for plastic or foil or anything else. Get used to using what you have. Alright? Don't throw everything away. Use what you have. I got this potato. Works very well. Alright, that's oiled very well. Now I'm going to start layering my potatoes like this. It's kind of like dealing a deck of cards. Okay? Put a little bit of bacon, enough so that each slice gets a little bit. Okay, there we go. And I put a little bit of the ricotta mixture, just like this. Okay. And I'm gonna repeat. Okay, and this right now we're getting up to the third layer. Usually I do 4, maybe even more. Depends on the size of the dish. Okay, I'm getting to the last layer here, so I'm going to put the rest of this ricotta onion mixture on here. There we go, just like this. Shake it around a little bit. Looking good. Now the last layer, I like this one to look really nice, so I'm going to take my time and get these babies beautiful on the top. Form a really nice presentation, nice crust. Okay, this is looking really good. So the last step, I like to press it down and make sure the egg ricotta mixture is touching all my potatoes. I'm going to put some of this bacon around here, just very nice looking. It's going to get crispy. Want that fat to go down on there. Okay. The finished potato ricotta tart. Thought I'd share that with you. It cooked for approximately 45 minutes, and then I checked it with a thermometer. Make sure it's done all the way through. Looks pretty good. Please try it. Like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. Most of all, keep cooking. Have a great day. The finished potato bacon ricotta tart. Looking good. Yes. Please like, share, subscribe. Support your sponsor. Keep cooking. Have a beautiful day. That's going to be good. Just finishing up this plating of the potato tart. Here we go. We're going to put a small scoop of sour cream right on top. Go with a little bit of chives. As well as a touch of Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Get cooking and have a great day. Here, check that baby out. Wicked, sick, and cool all at once. VG10 Super Steel.